Whew, man, y'all, it's hot out here, man. The summer is here in New York, and I am roasting. Hold on, wait a minute. What's this right here? Oh, this must be one of Mom's shakes. Should I drink it, y'all? If I drink this, this will be documented as I turn into Dr. You know, Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde. If I turn to Mr. Hyde, y'all know what happened. This is my story. I'm just joking with y'all. What's good? What's good, everybody? Brandon here, back for another episode of Unlimited Food TV. As always, how's everybody's doing? How's everybody living? How's everybody hanging in there? Y'all wearing masks? Y'all keeping each other safe? Y'all have your gloves, hand sanitizers, whatever to protect you throughout this year of 2020 with a pandemic. Sucks, but gives us time to enjoy the fruits of our labors, spend time with family, do things we haven't been able to do in a while. Here we are. So today, folks, this is going to be something a little different today here on Unlimited Food TV, here in the sanctum sanctorum of my lovely home. We're going to be talking about a very cool shake that my mom made during the, mid or during the pandemic, and it's a very strange but tasty looking shake. It's a healthy shake, and I want to show you right here, folks. This is the shake. Yeah, I know I drunk a little bit before the video, but it's okay. The message will get there. So this is the shake. Well, half the shake, but this was pre-made earlier by my mom. So I had this idea of, let's make a video for it. Also, this is y'all looking at the shake. This is me looking at you. This is me looking at the shake. And you, me. It's just me having fun. But, so with this shake here, this shake builds your immune system a lot. And it's really good. Gets all that mucus and all that stuff out, toughens you up. If you get sick during the fall days, or even in nowadays. But the good news is, there's a lot of positivity. So I don't have a name for this shake that my mom made. I call it the Boom Shaka Healthy Laka, or the Dolly Mama Shake. I don't know. I just, you can call it whatever y'all want. I'm gonna call it the Dolly Mama Shake. It's pretty delicious, and it's really good. To give you, if you want all the ingredients for the shake, it's down in the description below. Check it out. It's really good. It's all my mom's ingredients. You could add how much you want. So what this shake has right here, if I'm showing you this again, is it has bananas, almond milk, and some powdered ingredients from a healthy place called Teami. I'll put the link in the description below as well, so that way you guys can get a full understanding of the ingredients and how to do them. So this shake was made not really less than a minute or two. You just have to wait until the contents is like really good enough for you to shake. And this was blended. It was really good. So what's cool about this shake is I love its taste, because you get that sort of blend of milk and bananas, as well as, of course, the healthy ingredients in it, as well as, of course, that good tasting feeling. So yeah. What else I want to tell you guys about that's really good? This is good for when you're working out, as well as, of course, this is also good just for a healthy snack throughout the day. This this shake will not let you eat any solid food for, like, about an hour, maybe two, maybe three too, is what maybe three. I'm not so sure, but I usually would wait about 3 hours until everything is digested, because if you have solid foods with them in it, it's gonna make your stomach go messy, and you'll have to run to the your nearest bathroom in your home. I'm just letting you know. Don't drink it too fast, because you'll get a brain freeze. Again, something that I know personally. But to all of you, looking, this is a pretty delicious shake. I give this a 10 out of 10. Matter of fact, forget 10 out of 10. This is a 20 out of 10. Yeah, I broke the scale. My mama broke the scale. Y'all should thank her. Also, keep in mind the shake has sort of a limitations, because if you don't drink it as soon as it's there, the shake is going to be all messy and mulchy and all of that. So I advise everyone, first, do not eat. If you haven't eaten anything, don't eat anything. Just drink this first to kind of give you a taste. And as well as, of course, you can add any ingredients to how your shake wants to be. This is just how she made it. She made a second one that I don't know the ingredients much, but I'll get back to you guys on that in a later video at a later time. But this is a really good shake, and I highly recommend you guys try it. Just follow the ingredients and you should be fine, and you'll love it. You'll love it to the end. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get more future content that will be coming up on Unlimited Food TV pretty soon. We've got a lot of projects coming. We're going to figure out a way to work with some things within this difficult situation in time. Check if you haven't watched our previous episodes, please go back and watch them. These are fun, entertaining. It's just me and Janet being all sorts of fun, enjoying ourselves while you enjoy us eating and watching us make fun of ourselves. But yeah, before I go, I want to say to everybody, to those who are still affected into this pandemic, those who are at the epicenter like Florida, North, South Carolina, Arizona, and Texas, to all those states, I advise you guys to please stay safe. Prayers for all of y'all. Please wear a mask, have hand sanitizer, have gloves, stay 6 feet apart, please. Social distancing is important, guys. The only way we can stop this pandemic is we take care of ourselves and protect ourselves with the right PPEs. Stay safe while going into work. Stay safe at home. We're gonna get through this. This pandemic, it ain't gonna last forever. We all work too hard to get where we are today. We're gonna get through this. Just remember, folks, love each other, love yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy. Always have gloves, hand sanitizer. Always wear a mask with glass shields. However you all want to do it, that's fine. You find a designer mask so that way you can look stylish for everybody.